Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey Davis here with Nicole McNeil, owner and founder of the Beauty Mark Salon here in downtown St. James. We're going to talk a little bit about her business and then stay tuned. Later we're going to make some lip gloss in preparation for the 𝗏𝗏 party that we'll talk about. Let's get into it. Okay, Nicole, for anyone that doesn't know you, who are you? What do you do? Tell me about yourself.
My name is Nicole McNeil. I'm the owner of the Beauty Mark Salon. I have owned the Beauty Mark for about 8 years, I believe.
Has it been that long?
9 years, something like that. Yeah. It'll be 6 in St. James in July.
Awesome.
So, and then there was a prior 4 to 5 years. So. But yes, I live here in St. James. I grew up in the Raleigh area, graduated in the 90s, went to beauty school in Columbia, moved back here when I had my first son to be closer to family, and opened my very first salon at 22 years old. It was called Salon Luxe. I had it in the Raleigh area for many, many years. And then during the time that 2008, I had my second son, I ended up closing for a little bit and then decided to open the Beauty Mark when he was about 5 years old. So,
because I was an OG client.
Yes.
We've all been
Yes.
OG clients.
yes.
I've been working with Nicole for so long. She's the only one that really touches my hair.
We started with some perms in
Yeah.
high school.
Yeah, I was cool. I got perms. I'll put a picture here. I looked really good. I know what you're thinking. What it looked like. It looked cool. It looked cool. Trust
Beautiful.
me. So the Beauty Mark. What made you want to open your own salon versus working for somebody else?
So I was at a time that I really wanted to be more independent, have more freedom with my career, to grow my business stronger than what you can during a booth rental agreement. I wanted to create an environment for entrepreneurs to come and have like a safe space that they can go to, feel welcome, and have a family community.
Yeah, no, I love that. That's the feeling I get when I come in here.
Yeah.
So that's leading up to the next question. What would you describe to someone that's never been here before, the feeling and the vibe of the salon?
So usually when you walk in the front door, Tina is there to greet you. It's a very warm, happy, motherly kind of spirit that she gives all of us. We have 2 girls up front with stations. We prior had a boutique, but we've been adding more contractors into the business. And then when you walk around, it's just full of happy faces, familiar people. It's a small town atmosphere, but it's light and bright and happy. We try to create that environment so that people can have a fun place to go, to share what they need to share, to have a happy environment, and then they can leave feeling better and beautiful about themselves.
I love that. That's how I feel every time I come in. So I'm getting my hair cut next to me.
Yes.
So say goodbye to the locks. You said you've been hiring more contractors. What kind of services do you provide? Can you walk me through what you offer clients here?
So we are a salon and spa. We offer nails, hair, tattoos. She does do some cosmetic tattooing, but she also does freelance work too on top of that. We offer lash extensions, lash lifts, brows, I mean, you name it, body waxing, any hair service that you can think of. We specialize a lot into colors. That is what most of our girls specialize into. The majority of our clients tend to be color clients because it's fun. You can do something different and recreate yourself.
Can you tell me what is your favorite beauty service to do?
By far, it's color.
Yeah.
Just because I can create whatever I want and then I could change it the next service and tweak it. It's never permanent, you say, but it's, you can change it up.
Yeah, I know that because my mom.
Yes, every time she comes in, it's like, I want to be red. Now I want to be blonde.
Oh yeah.
Now I want to be platinum.
She's transformed every time. Yesterday, she was transformed.
Yes.
What's your go-to everyday beauty item that you cannot live without?
So my go-to product is a hemp cream and a hemp face oil. I actually make it myself. I'm going to be having it here at the salon for sale soon. All of the girls here currently are using it. It is a cream that you can put on your face. And if you're having dry days, you can add the oil to it to just kind of play it up as much as you need.
I'll be watching for when that comes out because I'm going to get
I use it day and night.
If you weren't in the beauty industry today, what do you think you'd be doing?
Definitely, I would be an interior designer. I love everything about interior design, and that is part of owning the salon. Whenever I purchased this, I just came in and did a remodel. I was wanting to do like a French cottage feel. I loved the ceilings, the chandeliers that it had, the wood ceilings in the boutique part. When you first come in, it just seemed like a French cottage feel, but it just wasn't quite there. So I tried to put a little spin on it, put more flowers in here, put some like different wood accents, rose gold, you know, things that are like pretty and girly to try to just make it a little more girly, but absolutely by far interior design.
Nicole.
Yes.
Can you tell us something we may not know about you?
Absolutely. So recently I have started doing a wholesale business within the Beauty Mark where I am creating perfumes that are signature and custom blended scents for the local businesses around here. So you can purchase and buy them in bulk, but you can pick out your scent, you can design your smell, pick out your bottle, name. I recreate and basically come up with the whole concept, do the scent blends, do the concept for you, labels, pictures for your social media, and then you just buy and purchase them in bulk. We discuss pricing and that kind of stuff, you know, obviously in the beginning, but it's fun.
People love it so much.
Collaborations are amazing.
Yeah, no, I love it. And that's exactly what we're doing with the 𝗏 party.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, this coming next month. And it's just gonna be so much fun. So shall we go make some lip gloss?
Yes, let's do it.
Yay! We have all the materials to make this lip gloss. Can you tell me a little bit why you decided to make lip gloss, how you started even making lip gloss?
Well, I love makeup in general, and working with women and providing for women services. I thought this might be something fun that we could do for the holidays with Valentine's Day coming up. That it would be fun for friends to just get together and do something fun on a Saturday.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, right before Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, if you will.
So that you can have a lip gloss.
Exactly. Well, we have a couple of colors here that we're going to do today. So can you describe these two colors here? So what's this one called?
Absolutely. This one is called the Perfect Pink Ultra Sparkle.
Okay.
So you can see in there that that is going to be a very, very bright pink, sparkly lip gloss as long as you put enough of the pigment in there. If you just do a little bit, then you'll just have a little bit of an enhancement on there. So it depends on how much pigment you add for how deep or rich you want your color.
Perfect.
And then this one right here is Rose Pearl. And so this one will have like a little bit of a pearl sheen to it once it's mixed together. You can mix and match all of the colors. We also have like a rose gold mica that you can add in there. Today, I think we're just going to do a one color, but you can add as many as you want.
Awesome. Well, let's get started. All right. Do you want to run us through how we should do this?
So we start with our base, and I will pre-make this base for everybody. So you will have this already done whenever you arrive to the lip gloss class. And then you will go and pick out whatever colors that you want to make yours. We'll have this set up so that you can pick multiple if you want to. And then you just mix your stuff together.
And so we just scoop it in.
You just scoop it in, just really simple, as much as you want.
I want it really sparkly.
And we can get more too if you guys want it like powerful.
I'm measuring with my heart here. I feel like I need more. Always more sparkle.
Like I need more.
No, it's beautiful. Look at that.
Ooh.
Okay, I feel like I do want more
like
sparkle.
your? Okay, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Tell me when.
Don't stop. Maybe one more. Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about.
Would that add some like gold-ish in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
You want to try that? You can see that on there too. It's like a gold color of sparkle. Okay, and then
Okay, yeah, so.
Once you get it to the color that you like it, do you guys like what you have?
I love
now?
it.
Okay. Then you can pick between the different flavored oils. So we have peach smoothie, strawberry, cherry, and guava.
Perfect.
Do we have those?
Allison's gonna do cherry, and I'm gonna do the strawberry.
Perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna let you guys take those little syringes here. And then just do about 1 millimeter.
Okay.
I'll hold that for you.
Like right here?
A little bit more probably. There you go.
And then you just
You
get it on
squeeze
in
right
there?
in there. You
know
smell
what?
it?
Yes.
And then if you guys want to
yeah.
do sweetener, it
Okay.
will make it if you lick it. And it has that sweet taste
Yeah,
to it.
I
But you
want
don't have to.
Gotcha. Yeah,
I
that'd be
want
good.
it to taste like,
I want to eat it.
taste like I can eat it.
Do a 1 in this one, and then we'll pass the same syringe over to Allison, and she
Like
can
about
do.
this much.
Yep. All right, and then do a good mix.
That smells fantastic.
I love it. I love it.
And so this is the main part here to get it to fill up our tubes that we have here. Now this is the little tricky part of it, is trying to get some of this in there. Now you are welcome to do it just like so. Just little bits. And just keep pushing that down. That makes sense.
Yeah.
This is the most time consuming part. Getting it in there.
You're doing a beautiful job at
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah.
And
You wanna
you'll want
get
to tap it when it goes down so that it can
Okay.
get to the bottom, okay?
Okay.
I know, it is just like Barbie pink
It
too.
is. So, and then I just squeeze.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Ooh.
Oh, dang.
Mine's filled up very quickly.
Carol.
You weren't kidding about the thing.
Yeah, the tapping part. You really have to tap it down there because it's so.
Because we still need to get the little thing in there, right? That's such a pretty color. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Cute.
Yeah.
So cute. Oh my God. Yeah.
Perfect pink ultra pout. And then rose gold mica.
Rose gold. Check it out.
Yeah, this one's
All right.
so cute.
So pretty. Love. Yeah, that was. Look
Super
at that.
easy. I love it.
Look at that.
Fun.
By the way, speaking of the POW party, mark your calendars. It is February 7th at 3 p.m. at the Closers Real Estate Team's office here in St. James. I will plug all the info down below. You can even get the Facebook invite and RSVP there. Okay, for someone trying to book services at the salon, where can we find you and how do they do that?
So each girl is an independent contractor. You are always welcome to call the salon for day of appointments. If there is somebody available, we will try to make that happen for you, of course. A lot of the girls do pre-booking, and you can contact them by their personal cell phones, or you can also get on their Facebook pages and reach out to them that way.
Perfect. I will put all of your info down below as well. So the salon site, the Facebook site, and
Perfect.
your number so they can book there.
Sounds wonderful.